Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style, and today I have another unboxing video for you. It's the Country Sunshine Warmer. I'm super into farmhouse and hello, perfect, right? So I'm super excited to get it. And remember, the Scentsy fall winter catalog will be 10% off in January. So starting January 1st. So if you're so in love with this, just hold on, wait a couple days. Wait till the 1st and then go order it so you can get 10% off, right? Because I want you to get a deal. Anyways, I am so excited to open it. It is super cute and perfect for spring, which is, you know, right around the corner. So let's go ahead and open this. I know my camera is moving all over the place right now. I see it. I'm sorry, guys. My table, my desk, it's from IKEA. Like, what can I do, right? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope you guys are ready. Let me take all the plastic off. Very cute. So cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love the saying on the front. Okay, hold on. Hold on, you guys. I'm getting it all together. Okay, so first things first, it has a clear dish. And Scentsy says that they're, the optimum number of cubes is 4, which is right here. So that is informative. Okay, hold on, hold on. I know you're excited because I was excited too. I just wanted to get all the stuff off so I can show you. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in there first, okay? Because you guys, just hold on to your hats. Okay, put this in. Okay, so you ready? All right. So Country Sunshine, that's what they call it, right? Country Sunshine. How stinking cute is this, right? Oh my gosh. I actually think I'm going to put this on my porch. This would be a great porch warmer, don't you think? Okay, so I love what it says. Raised on Country Sunshine. Raised on Country Sunshine. Okay, but there's something really cool about this warmer, and that is the cutout on the back. Now, I have seen this in pictures, and let me tell you, when this warmer is on, this reflection will be on whatever wall or shelf or whatever is behind it. So, let's check that out. Taylor, I hear you, honey. We're going to go to grocery shopping. So you're already changed. Good girl. You're going to go with mom, okay? Sorry. Mom life. Hashtag mom life. All right, let me get my extension cord. Okay, this is the second one in a row that was already turned on. Like, that totally, like, steals my thunder. Come on, Scentsy. Make sure these suckers are off when I get them. Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, and boom sauce. Oh, I look good in this lighting. Hello. This is almost like, what do they call it? Golden hour. So, anyways, it's super cute. Now, look at this in the back. You see that? Oh gosh, I really need to find, oh, let's see this. Okay, let's see if this will shine on there. Oh, you guys see it? You see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is going to be on your wall or your shelf or whatever. That is super cute, right? Anyway, you guys, I hope you love this warmer. Like I said, wait till after the 1st of January so you can get 10% off. Okay? And I'll put the link in the description below. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.